Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neeraj Khairwal. I'm working as Head of R&D at L1X. Today, we are going to see how we can deploy and execute NFT smart contract on L1X blockchain network. So, this is the Gitbook link that we are referring to build the first smart contract. So in our previous video, we had seen how we can create the L1X project using Cargo L1X, where we had used the template for the FT. So we have the template for NFT as well. So in the same way, we are going to create an L1X project for the NFT. So in the terminal, I'll create the project for NFT and use the template for NFT. So I'll rename the project to non-fungible token and I'll use the template for NFT. So this is done. As we had seen previously, we can check exactly what all has been created using this command so that we'll have a better idea. In this demo projects, we have non-fungible token in which we have the source file lib.rs which contains the functionality related to the NFT, right? So next we will go to the project and try to compile the project, and we'll compile it. Cargo L1X build. So once it's compiled, we already have a wallet which we created previously, right? So we will be required to import the wallet. So let this contact get compiled first. Okay, so now the contact has got compiled, and as we can see, the contact object file name L1X underscore NFT.o has been built. So let us check the object file. So we'll go to target L1X release. We have this L1X underscore NFT.o target file that has been created. So next step is to import the wallet because we will need the wallet to have some fees to deploy the project. So I'll copy the command to import the wallet. So in this, at this place, I need to specify my private key. So the wallet that we had created previously, I'll simply copy the private key of this wallet, paste it here. Let us try to put, okay. So as we said, we always need to ensure that we are using NVM version 18, else we'll have the issue with the wallet. So let us try to import it now. Okay, so we have been able to import the wallet successfully. Now next step is to set the default value. So I'll set this to be my default wallet. I'll use the address. So it has been set to default. Now I can deploy the project using this command. But as we had seen previously, we had to be careful about few things. That is the path of this object file, which is target L1X release, right? And what is the contact file name we have? L1X underscore NFT.o. So we'll need to put it here. And apart from that, we would suggest to also specify fee limit as well. So this is a better practice to follow. So I'll specify the fee limit. Okay. So let us try to deploy this smart contract. Once deployed, we'll try to initialize it. So during initialization, we need to take care that we are providing all the arguments required for this NFT smart contract. Okay, so our contract has got deployed successfully. Now at this place, I'll simply copy this command to initialize and make sure that I provide all the arguments with the specific to the NFT smart contract, because this template that this Gitbook page that we are referring to is for fungible token smart contract. So I'll replace this deployed contact address with the contact address we have received on deployment of this smart contract. Next endpoint we have specified for the testnet, fee limit has been specified. Next comes the argument. So what are the metadata arguments for this smart contract? Let us have a quick look in the lib.rs file that we have. Okay. So NFT metadata consists of all these details. So we have name. So token name we will give as L1X demo NFT. Decimal setting symbol, the token symbol that we have, which is L1X say DNFT I give. Okay, apart from that we have what? Icon and URI. So I'll replace this with icon, the HTTP URL you would like to give, and URI that you want to specify. If you don't have these details, you can leave it blank as well. Okay, so here in icon, say what I want to do is I will go to this L1X Foundation website. Okay, and say I want to use this image of the earth as the icon for my NFT data. So I have just put this URL for the icon. Okay, and we will try to initialize the contract with all these details. Okay, so the contract has got initialized successfully. We have got the initialized contact address. Next step is we can run the commands to read and write to make read and write calls. So we'll try to make some read call. Again, we just need to be sure that the function name and the details are correct. So in our NFT, let us see, do we have such? Okay, we have NFT underscore name. So we will just rename this function to NFT underscore name, and I'll replace this init contact address with the actual instance contact address we have received. So this is the contact address, and let us try to run this command. Okay, so we have got the NFT name, which is L1X demo NFT. So which means that contact has got deployed, initialized successfully, and we are easily able to make the read only function call. Now we will see how we can make the state changing function call. So going ahead with the same format, we'll see which is the function that we can use to make a write call. Okay, so we have NFT mint function in this as well. So we'll use this function. So let us start with function. I'll replace it with NFT mint 2. And what is the argument for this? So as we notice, we need to provide the address to which we want to mint. So we will just specify the arguments. So we need to be sure that we are providing the arguments in the correct JSON format. Next, what I'll do, I'll need to put my wallet address here, the one that I want to mint. So I have my wallet address put here. So I'll just copy this and specify it in the command. Okay. I'll also change this init contact address. Okay, so that we don't miss on it. Okay. So this is the init contact address where we want to mint the NFT. This is the address that we have specified. Okay, we need to specify the endpoint as well. So our endpoint is the testnet endpoint we have, which we have used here, right? So I'll just simply copy it from here. From, as we have already set the wallet, we don't need to specify fee limit. I'll specify it to be this value, and nonce let the system automatically take from my wallet. So we'll try to mint the NFT to the specified address. So this is a state changing function call which has successfully run and has minted NFT to this specified address. Next, what we would like to do is we can make some read call. Okay, so we can try to run this and see if we get this NFT mint total. This is a read call. So for this read call, yes, we'll refer to this format. So let us run this. How many NFTs have you minted? So we get the response 1, which means only as of now we have minted 1 NFT. So this is how on L1X we can simply create a smart contract for NFT using the template that we have and successfully compile it, deploy it, initialize it, and then run the read and state changing function calls. In case you have any queries, you can raise the tickets. Thank you so much.